Guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video we will be learning about the new graph. So we will be creating a histogram chart in this video. So I'll be using the same data set, empty car. So let me show you the data set again for the empty cars. And now we will be creating the our histogram. So we will be using the ggplot, and our data will be empty cars. Now I'll use geom underscore histogram. Here I'll use uh, basically pi and bandwidth equal to 5, and for here I'll use excess x equal to hp, horsepower. So we'll be creating a histogram for the horsepower. Now uh, I'll give the labs here, labs. So my title will be horsepower histogram. Okay, and my x is horse power, and my y is count. Okay, so if I run this code, so my histogram is ready. So as you can see, this is my horsepower histogram, the title, this is the count, and this is the x-axis. Now what if you want to color this histograms? So after the bandwidth you can use comma, and you can use fill equal to any color you want, red. Okay, so as you can see my color has been changed to red. If I change to blue, so it will be changed to blue. So whatever the color you want to change, you can change accordingly. So this is it for this histogram. So in the next video we will be learning about the new graph. So if you are new to the video, please subscribe the channel for the more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.